Hello and welcome back to USA English Talks, the show where you practice listening to real, everyday English.
Yes, and this is from Speak English with Klaus. Today, we are talking about our morning, afternoon, and evening.
I am very excited because today's topic is one of my favorites.
So, what are we talking about exactly?
We are talking about our whole day, morning, afternoon, and evening, using real, natural English.
That means we are letting everyone peek into our real lives today?
Yes, the real, unfiltered version. No fancy edits, just what our days actually look like. Are you sure you want to tell them everything? Maybe not everything. I will skip the part where I fall asleep with my phone on my face.
Same here. My mornings start strong, but by 3 in the afternoon, I'm like, where is my motivation? I feel you. But that is why this episode will be fun. It is real life, not a textbook. Exactly. So while we share our routines, you will also learn how to talk about your own day in English with natural words and expressions.
That's right. If someone asks, hey, how was your day? You will finally have more to say than just good. We will help you sound like a native, even when you were just talking about breakfast or work. Speaking of breakfast, should we start with mornings? Let's do it. And I promise I will be honest about mine. Okay, so my mornings are pretty simple, but also kind of chaotic. I usually wake up around 6:30, and let's be honest, I hit snooze at least twice.
Twice? That's impressive.
I hit snooze like 5 times. Oh no, that's dangerous. But once I finally get up, I make my bed because it feels like my tiny victory of the day.
Tiny victory.
I like that. It sets the tone, right? If you start neat, you feel productive. Exactly. There is an idiom. Start the day on the right foot. It means to begin your day in a positive way. Start the day on the right foot. I should probably try that because my mornings are not that graceful. Okay, tell me, what is the first thing you do?
Honestly, the first thing I do is grab my phone. I check messages, then scroll for like 10 minutes, which is terrible, I know.
You are not alone. I do that too sometimes. But then I head straight to the kitchen for coffee. I need my coffee. No coffee, no human.
That is a universal rule. I usually make green tea, trying to be healthy, you know? But sometimes I just give in and go for strong coffee.
Give in. That is a good phrase. It means you stop resisting something. You tried to be good, but temptation won.
Exactly. I give in to caffeine every time.
After that, I try to do something productive. Maybe a quick workout or stretching.
Oh, really? You actually stretch in the morning?
Yeah, I do. But it's nothing fancy. Just a few shoulder rolls, toe touches, and deep breaths. It helps me wake up. I put on calm music, stretch for 10 minutes, and tell myself, okay, you got this.
That sounds peaceful, like a mini yoga session.
Yeah, but it's more like pretend yoga. You know the saying, fake it till you make it? It means even if you are not perfect at something, just doing it helps you get better.
Love that. I am totally stealing that mindset. But my mornings are different. Once I am up, I get dressed and take my dog for a walk.
Oh, right. You have a golden retriever, right?
Yes, and he is my alarm clock. The moment he hears me move, he is already at the door wagging his tail. We walk around the park. It is so quiet and fresh at that time.
That sounds perfect.
It really is. I like that it is just me, my dog, and the morning air. Sometimes I listen to soft music. Sometimes I just think. It is my little reset button.
That is a good expression. Reset button. It means something that helps you start fresh, right?
Exactly.
That walk just clears my head. My dog stops at every single tree, though.
Dogs do that. They are like tiny detectives on a mission.
True, but by the time we get back, I already feel awake and ready. Then it is shower time. I love long, warm showers in the morning. It is like washing the sleep away.
Same here. That is my favorite part. I turn on the shower, close my eyes, and just exist. It is like my little spa moment before the day gets crazy.
Then I brush my teeth, wash my face, do my hair, a little skincare routine, just the basics, and start getting dressed.
I keep it simple. Quick shower, quick shave, shirt, pants, sneakers, done. You know the idiom, keep it simple?
Yes, it means don't overcomplicate things. I love that.
That is me in the morning. I dress for survival, not for fashion.
Oh, I am the opposite. I like picking something comfy but cute. Usually jeans, a light top, and sneakers. Easy but put together.
That is your signature style.
Thank you. Then I grab breakfast. Toast, maybe eggs, sometimes just fruit if I am in a rush. My dog sits next to me giving me those puppy eyes the whole time.
That sounds nice. For me, breakfast is usually quick. Oatmeal with banana or sometimes peanut butter toast. While I eat, I like to listen to something. Maybe an English podcast or an audiobook. It is a calm little moment before the rush begins. That is such a good idea. Feeding your brain and your body at the same time. I usually listen to USA English Talks. Same here. We have good taste. And after breakfast, it is go time. I grab my bag, check if I have my keys, water bottle, and earbuds. My dog gives me that sad don't go face every single time. Oh, that is the hardest part. Anyway, I take the bus to work. It takes about 25 minutes, so I usually listen to music or just stare out the window. It is my little daydream time. That is nice. I drive. It takes around 20 minutes if the traffic behaves. Sometimes I play music, sometimes I just enjoy the silence. That's a peaceful way to start the day. By the time I reach work, I already feel like I have lived a small story. Yeah, same here. All right, so we have made it through the morning. Now let's talk about what really happens once we reach work. Yes, the land of emails, meetings, and coffee. The moment when coffee turns into survival fuel. Exactly. I walk in, say hi to everyone, and head straight to my desk. The first thing I do is open my laptop and check my emails. It is like opening a mystery box.
That is so real. I start with small things to get the ball rolling, like reply to one email or finish one task. Then, boom, I am in the zone.
Get the ball rolling. That is a great phrase. It means to start something, to get things moving.
Exactly. Once I start, time flies. But around 11, I already start thinking about lunch.
Me too. My brain goes, you have worked hard enough. Time for food.
I usually eat with my coworkers. We talk about random things, sometimes about work, sometimes about food, mostly food.
That is the best part. I sometimes bring my lunch, maybe rice, eggs, or a sandwich. But if I forget, there is a cafe near the office. They make the best wraps.
Ooh, wraps sound good. I usually eat something light, like pasta or salad, and then 10 minutes later, boom, the food coma.
Yes, that sleepy feeling after lunch. It is like your body says, let's nap. And your brain says, no, we still have work.
So true. That is what people call the afternoon slump, when your energy just disappears.
Yup. I drink water, stretch a little, and try to power through.
Power through. Good phrase. It means to keep going, even when you are tired.
Exactly. I just tell myself one task at a time.
I do that too. And when I finally finish everything, that feeling of closing my laptop, pure happiness.
Yes, it is like finishing a marathon.
A very slow marathon.
True. All right, now it is time for the best part of the day, going home.
Yes, freedom. Let's talk about what happens after work. Evenings, here we come. Finally, work is done. I grab my bag, wave goodbye to everyone, and head to the parking lot.
I do the same, except I take the bus. But honestly, I kind of like it. I put on my headphones, play some music, and just watch the city lights. It is like a little movie moment. Oh yeah, main character energy. I drive home, and if traffic is bad,
He is living his best life. I don't have a pet, but sometimes I go for a short walk too, just to clear my head.
Yeah, I love that quiet time. After the walk, I make something light for dinner. Maybe noodles or soup, simple but cozy.
That sounds nice. I usually cook something quick too, like rice with veggies, but sometimes I just order food.
Same. We all have those no-cooking nights. Then I like to watch something funny or light. No drama, just chill.
yeah, a little YouTube, maybe a sitcom. Sometimes I call my family just to say hi. It is a nice way to end the day. That is really sweet. I sometimes write in my journal, just a few lines about my day. It helps me relax before bed. Well, that is a good idea. For me, bedtime starts with one lie. I will just check my phone for 5 minutes.
And then 1 hour later, you are still scrolling.
Exactly. But once I finally put the phone away, I just close my eyes and think, okay, new day tomorrow.
Yeah, every day is different, but there is always something to be thankful for.
Well said. And that is our day, from sleepy mornings to peaceful nights. Hope you enjoyed living a day with us. Now it is your turn. Try describing your day in English. Yeah, you can write it, record it, or share it with a friend. The more you talk about your daily life, the more confident you will feel. Exactly. And if you like this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to USA English Talks. We will see you next time with another fun, real-life English conversation. Until then, take care and keep learning, one day at a time. Bye, everyone. Your progress doesn't end here. To continue advancing your English skills, click on the next video or explore the additional videos we have thoughtfully selected for you.